Amandelbult, a reimagined mine. Advancing safety in our mines.
So Amandelbult is a conventional underground mine and has always been, but I think we are on a journey of firstly modernizing it and then bringing elements of mechanization in the future. You would want that the setup of our conventional mining to be such that we improve people's life and it's better working conditions for our employees, where it's much more safer, much more economic and a much better environment to work in.
Embedded in our culture is our passion and drive to create a safe, stable and sustainable operation. For us, mining through safe and responsible production is non-negotiable, and we remain passionately committed to our program to transform the mining environment. This has seen continued implementation of various initiatives and installations across our business, ultimately improving the safety of our people. Netting and lighting. The use of in-stope safety nets provides a temporary cover against fall of ground, while operators are installing a new line of permanent support. To supplement this, in-stope lights are introduced to improve illumination for the underground work environment. Emulsions. The introduction of emulsion pumps allows for throw blasting and they enhance ground conditions through a more uniform fragmentation, resulting in less fracture and cleaner breaks.
It also saves us time when it comes to blasting at the end of the shift. We used to have late blast, which also affected the next shift.
Epirock drilling. We introduced this high-tech suite of drilling equipment to enable remote drilling and to remove the rock drill operator from a potentially hazardous situation.
Now a person or an employee doesn't have to stand there whilst the machine is busy drilling. It gives that particular person a safer place to stand, a distance of 1 meter away from that machine.
The Epirock equipment offers faster drilling speeds, low interaction with the operator during the drilling process, reduced noise with shorter exposure time, and enhanced roof support anchoring.
There is something that is being installed in the machine, so you can work very close to it without any noise being affecting you because it's been reduced.
And what drives us to do things better day by day is our culture.
I am culture.
You are culture.
We are culture.
Cycle mining. Cycle mining combines all the crews on a half level into one cycle mining crew, separating activities on the panels into an effective cycle. That is, while one panel is being drilled, another is being prepped for blasting, while another is being cleaned. Cycle mining also caters for spare or buffer panels being available to move to, should any crew experience operational challenges on a panel.
Cycle mining has also shown improved safety where employees are working, because now you've got more face time. Instead of having one shift to do everything, now you can actually spread it across 2 shifts.
Winch proximity detection. Using RF radio technology, our scraper winch proximity detection system provides for pedestrian detection capability at winch installations, bringing the winch to a stop should anyone enter the path of the scraper or ropes. Timberless roof support. The migration from a timber-supported stope to the new timberless design effectively eliminates the risk of underground fires currently posed by the use of timber elongates in mining stopes.
Then we further developed the event indicator for timberless stoping. It is a device that is fitted on the cable anchors, which will, if there's ground movement, provide a trigger and then alert the crew that there's unstable ground conditions so that they can move to safety.
Blast on mesh provides a form of permanent aerial support for in-stope excavations covering the entire hanging wall of a panel. Not only does this significantly reduce the risk of fall of grounds from occurring and makes for a safer working environment for the entire crew.
I am culture.
You are culture.
We are culture.
CT1000 locomotive controllers.
So with railbound equipment being one of our top priority unwanted events, we saw the need to introduce something that takes away administrative controls and also addresses a few of our key risks which we have with railbound equipment. So the first of that being with the introduction of the 1000 CT controller, you take away the need for administrative pre-use checklists of the loco. So that is automated, so the locomotive will do its own health check in the morning before you start it up. What's also key with the 1000 CT controller is the introduction of a pedestrian detection unit that will pick up any personnel in the area towards the loco and then warn the driver of the presence of any of those personnel. Then the fact that you've got your speed beacon control, which will now be fail-safe, so your locomotive will not be able to move without detecting the presence of a speed beacon that will tell you at what speed that you are allowed to travel for that specific area in the haulage.
Our purpose is made visible in our process. This is how and why we continue to reimagine mining to improve people's lives. Amandelbult, a reimagined mine.